Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to rename your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So if you want to rename your iPhone, it's a very easy thing to do. All you have to do is locate your iPhone settings, tap on your settings here, and then on your settings, you have to look for the general. So tap on settings or this gear icon, scroll down, look for general. And under general, you have to look for the about section. So tap on about here. At the very top, you will see the name option right here. All you have to do is to click this one. If you want to rename your iPhone, delete and then replace this with the name that you want. After that, you can now tap on done and that's it. So renaming your iPhone can offer several practical advantages, especially if you use multiple devices or share networks. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.